friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking a plantain in the air fryer. So this is not a banana, this is a plantain. I'm for the seasoning, so I'll use salt and paprika, and I'm also going to use a little bit of olive oil just to make it a little bit more browned. If you'd like, you can leave out the oil. If you want it even healthier, totally up to you. So now I'm going to peel a plantain. And now I'm just going to slice it on a diagonal, so there it doesn't matter which shape of the slices you want. So I'm just making it like that. So unlike banana, those are much harder and crunchier. And now I'm going to season it. So let's put plantain slices in a bowl. And I'm just doing one, but you can do several plantains as long as it fits in the air fryer. And I'll add a little bit of oil and season it with salt and paprika. And now let's toss it cold. And now let's put plantain slices in the air fryer. So I'm going to put it in a single layer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's flip them over. So if you have a lot of them, you can just shake the basket, or I only have one, so it's really like easy to just go like this with a spatula. And I already cook evenly on both sides already, but if you had a larger amount of plantains, then it would be more important to mix them. So this step, it won't hurt. Just makes them cook more evenly. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the plantains. Look at them. They look amazing. So nicely brown and perfectly cooked. And they're crispy too. Look at these crunchy plantains. They're like chips. So good. Perfect crispy plantains made in the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Nice, they're so crunchy, perfect. You're going to love making these crispy plantains in the air fryer. It's so much healthier than pan fried. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!